Back in the Saddle Again with Anthropic AI by Aldo Grillo. It has been some time since my last post, and that gap reflects just how much work has been happening behind the scenes. Most of my focus has been on advancing QR Menu Connect, with version 2 scheduled for release in the second week of January 2026. The development process has been anything but linear. During version 1.0b, I initially worked with Anthropic, but the implementation quickly went off the rails. I then shifted to Google's Gemini within Firebase Studio, which allowed me to complete version 1.0b. When development began on version 2, I once again started with Gemini, but ultimately achieved significantly better results using Anthropic's Claude Code CLI directly in the terminal, which carried version 2 across the finish line. Each transition came with its own friction, but also valuable perspective. Those iterations clarified not only how the application should be built, but what it truly needs to prioritize. While working closely with beta test restaurant owners, one conversation stood out and fundamentally changed the direction of the product's feature set. Marie Umana, owner of La Baraka, a French-Moroccan restaurant in Little Neck, shared feedback that was simple, yet powerful enough to make me stop and reassess the roadmap for upcoming upgrades. That conversation led to the addition of a feature nearly every restaurant can benefit from with minimal effort: language translation. QR Menu Connect now supports menu translation into 10 widely spoken languages in Queens, New York: Arabic, Bengali, Cantonese, French, Korean, Mandarin, Russian, Spanish, and Tagalog. This kind of feedback is invaluable. It reveals an opportunity to improve how people experience local restaurants, especially for immigrants whose first language is not English, or for visitors navigating menus in unfamiliar places. Moments like this are a reminder that the most meaningful product decisions often come not from planning, but from listening. I am still navigating uncertainty around career prospects, balancing multiple job interviews with no offers yet on the table. That reality continues to push me forward on the path of a bootstrapped founder, working through the inevitable ups and downs of building something from the ground up. One thing remains clear: I am in control of the direction. That perspective is grounded in experience. Long before QR Menu Connect, I was involved in building and supporting businesses across multiple industries. I was a partner in opening a family-run waste disposal company in Toronto, returned to New York to invest in and manage real estate rentals, built a career as a stockbroker, and worked closely with local businesses through the Forest Hills Chamber of Commerce, helping provide group health insurance at large group rates long before any national plan existed. I was also part of the first dot-com boom of the 1990s through its eventual collapse, transitioned out of trading technology stocks into a career in technology, and most recently worked for the city of New York until that chapter came to a sudden stop. These experiences shaped how I think about business, not from the outside, but from within the day-to-day realities business owners face. That is why the guiding principle remains unchanged. Technology should simplify, not complicate. It should make tasks easier, faster, and achievable in just a few steps, without distracting from the core mission of running a business. Business owners should not have to learn new systems for the sake of technology itself. The technology should adapt to them, not the other way around. I digress here, but it is important to emphasize that experience is essential when developing technology applications, or any tool intended to make something better. You need to understand each step, the outcomes those steps produce, and the failures that inevitably occur along the way. Experience is a path you have already traveled, and the tools you build become a roadmap for others to reach the other side. That, to me, is what defines a good product or service. With version 2, I have built an AI-powered image enhancement so restaurant owners can take simple photos and present images that look more appealing, with cleaner backgrounds and better visual balance. Menu description enhancements use AI to help owners refine wording without losing their voice. Many additional features have been added to version 2, but what truly defines this application is its ability to integrate with other essential services restaurants already rely on, most notably Google Business Profile Management, allowing owners to manage their food menus from a single location. Deployment of the app is coming soon, and I commit to sharing updates on this journey more frequently, as many have asked. The future will only get busier as version 2 rolls out and the project continues to evolve into a practical, cost-reducing tool for an industry that needs solutions built with understanding, restraint, and purpose. Back in the saddle again with Anthropic AI. A chapter of My Journey by Aldo Grillo, founder of Forrester Information Technology.